Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by turning on the preview pane so you can see PDFs inline. Open your file manager, choose View, then enable Preview or Details. Once done, click a PDF and watch the pane populate with a thumbnail and basic metadata. This confirms the handler is registered. If nothing appears, make sure a PDF handler is set as default. This step links the file type to the renderer. Doing this now avoids switching windows while scanning documents. Next, you register the PDF handler so the pane can render pages and text. Open Settings, find Default Apps, and set PDF to your viewer. Then, if the native preview lacks multi-page or text select, install a lightweight plugin or enable the viewer extension. This adds richer rendering without replacing defaults. Once the handler is active, test a multi-page file to confirm scrolling, searching, and selection work inside the pane. These steps give you fast. Finally, you complete the setup by testing several PDFs to confirm consistent rendering, fonts, and page order. If thumbnails or pages fail to load, clear the file manager cache and restart it. If that fails, reinstall or update the PDF handler to repair corrupted components. Make sure file associations and folder permissions allow reading, otherwise the pane may remain blank. One key troubleshooting tip: if preview still fails, temporarily set a different default PDF app, verify.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.